Hello everybody, this is a 1995 GMC Suburban 2500 with the 5.7 throttle body injection. From a cold start, the motor will start up fine and the RPMs will be at the high idle, and the truck starts and will idle with no problems whatsoever. The truck will also go into gear with no issues, drive or reverse. The problem occurs once the motor has warmed up. The RPMs will start to surge in the lower range, searching between 500 and 1,000 RPMs to maintain idle. And the other condition that it presents is when it is warm and searching for this idle, more often than not, once you put it into reverse or drive, the motor will die. So these are things we're trying to diagnose as to the cause of it. So far we have replaced the O2 sensor as well as the entire exhaust system from the catalytic converter back. We then went and changed out the map sensor as well as the engine coolant temperature sensor, and we are still presenting the same conditions. If you have any suggestions as to where we should look next on this, I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you. One other concern that we also wanted to address is the RPMs. As you notice, as we're sitting in park and giving more throttle to the motor, the engine tends to stumble or present a condition where it appears to be missing or just running rough above 1,500 RPMs. On a road test, once the truck is in gear and you're out on the highway driving, this stumbling does not appear to be noticed, and also when you come to a stop at an intersection, the RPMs maintain a consistent level so that you can take off and drive again. So it's not an issue where the motor is stalling out once you have reached a stopping point, but as long as it's in gear and still running, it continues to operate fine. Thank you.